Overcoming a fear of vomiting, hypnosis. So when you're ready, take a moment to get comfortable, however that feels best for you. You might want to let your hands rest lightly on your lap, or perhaps you'll notice how your back feels against the support behind you. There's no need to do anything special. Just allow yourself to settle into this moment, knowing that this time is just for you. And as you begin to notice your breathing, you might become aware of how it flows naturally, in and out, without any effort at all. Or maybe you'll sense the way your body gently moves with each breath. Either way, isn't it interesting how your body already knows exactly how to breathe effortlessly and calm? Nobody wants anything, nobody needs anything. Any sounds around you, inside or out or in the distance, will just take you even deeper and deeper. And as you allow your breath to guide you, you might begin to notice other things, like how your feet feel against the floor, or how your hands feel at rest there, whether you focus on one or the other. Both are already helping you relax a little more deeply now, as your body begins to unwind. You might wonder which part of you will relax first. Will it be your shoulders, letting go of any tension? Letting go of any tension they've been carrying, or perhaps your arms will feel heavier. That's right, more settled. Or maybe it's your eyelids that begin to feel comfortably heavy now. That's it. Easier just to let them close. And isn't it fascinating? The more you try to keep them open, the more they naturally want to close on their own. Almost as though your mind is saying, it's time to rest. It's time to relax. And with each breath you take, you can allow that sense of calm to spread throughout your body, from the top of your head all the way down to the tips of your toes. It's as though every part of you is becoming more at ease, more comfortable. And the best part is, you don't even have to try. It's already happening naturally and easily. And as that happens now, as you relax so deeply, your mind is open to new possibilities, new ways of feeling calm, safe, and in control. No matter what's happening around you or within you, your body is an incredible system designed to care for you and keep you healthy. And while vomiting may have once seemed frightening, your mind is now beginning to understand it differently. It's simply one of the many ways your body helps you to heal, a natural process that's often unnecessary but never harmful. Imagine for a moment a calm and steady ocean. The waves roll in and out, gently and rhythmically, just like your breath. Your stomach feels just like that ocean, steady and calm, peaceful. And as you imagine this, notice how your whole body feels more settled, as though everything is working together in perfect harmony. Now, I'd like you to picture yourself in a situation where you once felt uncomfortable. Maybe it's a place or a thought that used to trigger unease. But this time, notice how calm and steady you feel. It's as though you're observing the situation from a distance, completely safe and in control. And you realize that nothing in this situation has any power over you anymore. You're free to remain calm and grounded no matter what. And isn't it interesting how that part of you that used to feel anxious is beginning to learn something new? It's discovering that you are in control of your thoughts, your feelings, and your reactions. And you might even feel that that part is shrinking down, becoming smaller and smaller, until it's just a tiny speck that drifts away, leaving behind a powerful sense of peace. And the next time you feel any unease in your stomach, you'll instinctively respond with calmness and confidence, and you'll breathe deeply, noticing how easily your body returns to balance, as though it already knows exactly how to maintain the steady rhythm. Each breath reminds you that you are safe, strong, and in control. And from now on, you'll find it easier to trust your body, because you'll notice how capable it is, how well it protects and supports you, whether it's a fleeting thought, a passing sensation, or even a challenging moment. You'll feel that deep sense of calm and control rising within you, naturally and effortlessly. And from this moment forward, your mind and body will work together to keep you calm and steady. And you'll feel a growing sense of confidence in your ability to handle anything, knowing that you're always safe, always in control. And every time you think about your digestive system, you'll feel gratitude for how well it takes care of you. And every time you encounter a situation that once felt uncomfortable, you'll notice how neutral and calm you feel now. It's as though that fear you once felt has been replaced by a deep, unshakable sense of peace. And as that happens, before your eyes open, or as your eyes open, I don't know, in a moment, I'm going to count from 1 to 5, and with each number, you'll return to the present moment, feeling calm, refreshed, and empowered. 1, beginning to return, bringing with you this sense of ease. 2, feeling lighter and more at peace. 3, becoming aware of your surroundings, steady and grounded. 4, almost fully present now, feeling confident and in control. And 5, eyes open, fully awake, feeling refreshed, calm, and ready to move forward.